Okay, folks, now this is an easy one. It says find the length of A. All right, so I'm looking for the length of A in simplest form. Do not give its decimal approximation. So I don't even need the calculator on this one. What I'm going to do is I'll just simplify any radical that I get. So I'm going to remember Pythagoras' theorem. He says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? Now I'm going to fill in what I know. I don't know what a equals, so I'm going to have to leave it as a squared, but I do know that b is 10 squared and c is 12 squared. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify these things. I'm going to get a squared plus 100 is equal to 144. So this time they gave me the hypotenuse, right? They gave me this, the 12, but they didn't give me what one of the legs was. Okay? So, thank you. Got it. Get out of the way. No. Okay, there we go. We're back. I'm solving for one of the legs, and I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides to get the a squared by itself, right? And that's going to give me a squared equals 44. But remember, guys, I don't want to know what a squared equals. I want to know what a equals. So I take the square root, and that's going to give me a, right? But if I take the square root of the left side here, I take the square root of this. Okay. Let's see. Subtract 100 from both sides. I don't know how that got messed up, but here we go. I'm going to get a squared is equal to 44. And remember, I got to take the square root of both sides. Right? If I take the square root of the left side, I have to also take the square root of the right side. I'm going to get a is the square root of 44. But I need to make sure that that's simplified, just like I make sure that that fractions are reduced. Okay, so I'm going to take the number 44, and you guys know that when I'm simplifying a radical, I'm actually going to use the factor tree, and I'm going to say 2 times 22. That's prime, and then that's 2 times 11, and both of those are prime. So this number is the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 11. And remember, whenever I have a pair, it just equals the number that's underneath. So that's going to come out to 2 times the square root of 11. So a is equal to 2 root 11. And that's it in its simplest form. Okay, good job, guys. Let's look at that next example, example number 3.